What's the meaning of bovine? Bovine. Bovine.
Bovine. Bovine. The term bovine refers to anything related to cattle or oxen. It can be used as an adjective to describe something as being characteristic of or resembling these animals. The word is often used in the context of animal husbandry, veterinary medicine, and agricultural science. For example, bovine diseases are illnesses that affect cattle, while bovine genetics refers to the study of inherited traits in these animals. Additionally, the term can also be used metaphorically to describe someone as being slow-moving or plodding like a cow. Overall, the term has a specific association with the world of agriculture and animal science.